no adventures today. Today is a day to say thank you. Thank you to all our followers, and thank you to those of you that have viewed, liked, posted and reposted our stories over the last 2 weeks. Thank you to those of you who have messaged me and sent me messages of good health and a speedy recovery. Thank you to the hundreds of you that have engaged with me and Sally Ann over the last 2 weeks. Your love and support has meant a great deal to me and Sally, and thank you. Tomorrow, Sally Ann will move us from our holding area, which is we've been in for quite a while now. We will be in a plot, a nice plot where I can sit in the sunshine and enjoy my 2 weeks of convalescing, because on the 16th of March I need to go back to the wonderful hospital San Juan in Alicante, a university hospital. They are the people that put my back together. So in a nutshell, the adventure is put on hold for at least 2 weeks. Just rest and do a bit of this and do a bit of that and a bit of walking, and there's a cafe shop about 200 steps from here, which we'll go and drink coffee and eat croissants and spend a bit of time, quiet time with Sally Ann, recovering. Thank you, thank you, thank you. To the next adventure. Rock on, Tommy.